Is it time to change your air filter on your Honda Pioneer? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen and this is Maintenance Matters. You're going to start by removing your seat cushions. Fold in your seatbelt latches and fold down the back seat. Next, you're going to raise your bed. Next, you're going to remove all the push pins from your access panel. Slide that out of the way. Next, you're going to loosen all of these bolts here. They're going to stay in there because they have these guides. With all of these loosened, you can raise up your air filter lid. This has a seal inside of it. Make sure that's in place and in good shape. If it's not, you can get a new air filter kit from your dealership. You're going to loosen this one more screw here. This adds to the surface. Pull your air filter out. So this one's obviously got some damage, probably water got in there. You can smell fuel pretty strong as well. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that one. Next, you're gonna have to wipe out your air box. If you have access to compressed air, you can use that as well. We're just gonna use a clean rag. Get out any dirt, debris, any kind of leaves. You'll also wanna brush out your air box lid. Check the seal again, make sure it's all good. Also wipe down the outside of it so when you're reinstalling, no dirt falls back in. Now you can install your new air filter. Make sure it seats correctly. Tighten this screw back down. And you can reinstall your air box lid. And tighten each one of these screws back down as well. Now you can put this outer cover back on. Reinstall your push pins. You can lower your bed back down and reinstall your seat cushions and you're good to go. That's how easy it is to change your air filter on a Honda Pioneer. Thanks for watching.